and you will imitate that. So most of the time, most of the learning before, no, in the past, was through observation and imitation of what the original manghihilot does. But who is the original manghihilot? No, in our timeline and in our last reading material, I have shared to you that there was a lonely God in the past. Before everything was made, there was a God, and this God, the name of this God is Kabunian. Kabunian is a supreme deity, a supreme God from the northern provinces of Luzon in the Philippine island, no, in Luzon Island. So technically, he is from the Cordillera region, the mountainous province of Luzon. And this God was lonely, and he decided to create mankind to become his companion, his helper, his co-creator. So when he created man, he picked up a piece of dust and mixed it with water. No? He mixed it with water to form clay. When it was become a clay, he make it a form into human. He gave us the face, the nose, the eyes, the eyebrow, even the hair, the neck, and the body, the boobs, etc., from head to toe. So when it was formed, he put it inside an oven to be cooked. But when he does that, God became tired and fall asleep. No? So he's been awakened by the smell of burning. So he ran towards the oven and checked, oh, the first man has burned. But then, even it was burned, not perfect, he blew the breath of life towards the first man, which is the black race, or the father, or the parent of the black race. So for second time around, Kabunian make a man again. So the same procedure, he pick up dirt, put water, make a clay form, put it in the oven. But this time, Kabunian becomes alert. And so, because of excitement, he pulled out man out of oven, but unfortunately, it was raw. But then, still not perfect enough. He blew the breath of life on that man, and start the race of the white people. So that was the second creation. And on the third one, so he becomes vigilant. So he's not excited or reluctant, but gave time. So he created man, put it in the oven, and waited for the right moment to come when it's cooked. When it is cooked, he said, oh, this is the brown race. Then he blew and gave the breath of life, and then that is the ancestor of the brown race, which is the Lahing Kayumanggi. It is our race, your race, and that is the human race. No? So we can see God created all colors. Even the black people was burned and the white people was raw. God did not throw them away, because God gave them breath of life and knows that each life matter. So the black life matter, the white life matter, and the brown life matter. And what does it mean that all life matter? All life is sacred. That's why he value every life that he created. No? So from that, we believe as manghihilot that the first manghihilot is Kabunian, or the creator. If you notice, the story is almost similar